Hey guys, it's your girl Jazz. Welcome to another vlog, and this vlog is going to be about Lansdowne from my lens. By the way, I have had one more stoppage before I reached here. Let me rewind it for you so that you can see how I managed reaching here. Guys, this place I am at is Shri Sidhabali Hanuman Shrine, which is actually an ancient shrine dedicated to Lord Hanumana. It is believed that the Kalyug avatar of Lord Shiva, which is called Guru Gorakhnath ji, got his Siddhi powers here. The shrine originally had two pindis which evolved themselves, and later on, this huge statue of Lord Hanumana was established here. This beautiful place enroots Lansdowne, which is one of the most popularly growing hill stations in Uttarakhand. It is widely believed that whosoever comes to this shrine, Lord Hanumana fulfills all their desires. And the proof to it is that in every year December, there's a huge bhandara organized by people whose wishes are fulfilled. And do you know, all the slots to organize the bhandara are already taken. This proves itself how much people trust in Lord Hanumana, and actually their wishes do come true by just merely visiting this place, bowing their head down and believing that universe has their back. These lal dupattas are proof of faith that people show in Lord Hanumana. It is also believed that Lord Hanumana himself resides here as savior to help people around. You need to take a staircase of 150 stairs as you come up here. Finally, I have reached the no polythene zone, the Lansdowne. It's just 1.5 hour ride to reach hills, but we took it more than we should have because I have motion sickness, and so we had to stop the ride in between because I forgot taking my lemon and chaat masala. So I kept feeling pukish, and one more possible reason could have been that I was awake till 3 in the night because I was packing videos, doing them back to back so that I don't have to miss any day without upload. As a quick tip guys, if you do have that, take some tangy thing because your brain gets confused कि हमें खट्टा feel करना है या pukish feel करना है. This is a very good way of avoiding vomit while you are traveling and when there are sharp cuts. I have reached the place I'm supposed to stay at, and I just can't stop myself showing you the view. This is how the balcony looks like. So the question is, why am I still staring the mountains and not exploring the city? Basically guys, I just googled the Garhwali Museum, the Army Museum, the Bhullatal Lake and a few more temples around get closed by 5 o'clock. That means I'm left with only one choice, to stare the mountains in peace. So whenever you're visiting a place, please don't mess your trip like this. Plan in advance, see the public visiting time and stick to the schedule. guys, I'm back here in my room, and as you saw, the market was not very, extensive thing to roam around. It was a small market, cute market, tiny market. It would be too early to say that Lansdowne has annoyed me a little bit, but I would still say it has. I'll plan my tomorrow's day in advance, and I will see that I could cover most of the places which are on my list, which includes Garhwali Museum, Army Museum, and that lake. Can't remember the name. I'll just go there and let you know. And one temple, and then back to Delhi.